Digital product business is one of the best decisions you could ever make for yourself in this 2025. For someone like myself who has made money selling digital products and has coached over 10 women to go into the same and are also making money, I am telling you, this is your best decision for 2025. If you intend monetizing your knowledge, if you intend making money, if you intend having a side business online, then this is what you should look into doing. So if you want to learn how to make money using digital products, stick to these videos because I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step blueprint on how to get started on a profitable digital product business. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you step by step how to start your digital product business. So the first thing you want to do is to get an idea of what kind of digital product is selling. You can do this based on the niche you're currently working on, or you can do this based on your interest or things that are currently making money. So in order to do this, we are going to use ChatGPT to help us do a research on what is currently making money. So the first thing we're going to do is to come to ChatGPT. There's free versions of ChatGPT, so just come to ChatGPT and then you can use any prompt of your choice. Basically, tell ChatGPT to research and give you trendy topic or trending niches that are profitable for digital products. You can do this based on your niche, like I said, or you can do this based on what is currently making money on digital products. Okay, so let's get right into it. So this is something simple. I just did research and give me 5 digital product ideas I can create a product on and sell to make money online. So we're just going to prompt this and then we'll see what ChatGPT comes up with. So now you can see it gave us a list of like a range of products we can work with. It gave us printable planners and journals. These are really selling. I currently have some of this on my own Amazon bookshelf as well. And it also gave you an idea of what kind of planners to do your digital products about, such as daily planners, budgeting templates, meal templates, and so much more. And then you can also create ebooks, give you example of the kind of ebooks that you can create. It also give you AI powered chatbot prompt templates, give you Notion template, digital planners, stock photos and graphics, and digital arts. These are things that are currently trending and making money as a digital product online, which is why it gave you a compilation of this. So what you want to do is you can create a product based on your niche. Pick one first, create it based on your niche, or just pick the one you feel is easy for you to start with, or something you feel is relatable to your target audience. So for the purpose of this, I'm just gonna pick maybe a daily planner, just so I can show you an illustration of how to create that. And the tool we are going to be used for creating this is Canva. So if you don't have Canva is a creation platform basically, and it is free. It has the pro version which allows you more tools, but you can also use the free version as a beginner, and then when you see the need to upgrade, then you go pro in order to access the better feature. So let me show you how you can create a daily planner as your first digital product on Canva. So guys, here we are. This is my own Canva platform. This is how it looks like. So basically this is the home page, and what we want to do is to create a new design. So you're just going to come here to the left hand corner and then click on create a design. So when you click on create a design, you're going to get different options, but what we're looking for is a daily planner. And the amazing thing about Canva is that it has different templates that you can work with, so you don't have to bother to start creating your product from scratch. All you need to do is to get a template that works for you and then work with that. So we're just going to type in daily planners. Okay, so this is a template for daily planner. So we're going to just click on a daily planner template. So guys, now that we have a daily planner template, it's now left for you to decide what kind of daily planner you want. Do you want a personal planner, a meal planner, whatever ones? You can see because I searched daily planner, it's already giving me design templates for the pages that I can use. So what we want to do first is to search for the cover that we want to use for our digital product. So we're going to search for daily planner cover, and then we search. So you can see we have a lot of them. I always advise that whatever template you're using on Canva, always customize it to become yours. So I think this is cute, so I'm just gonna pick this. So when you have this, you can change it into any other color. So let's just look for another color template. Let's go to styles and then pick another color. So let's try this one. Let's shuffle it around a bit. So basically we're just going to look for another thing that is cute and then that works with the background that we have. Okay, so something like this would pass, and then I can just adjust it, and then we are good to go. So something like this isn't bad for a cover. By all means, go be creative, think about different things you like, or based on other planners that you've used, be creative when it comes to creating your planner. So we're going to add another page, and then we're going to start with our pages. So all you need to do is to come back to your left hand side and then click on design. Once you click on design, let's go back to templates, and then let's search for daily planner pages. Okay, so now you can see these are different kinds of daily planners. And before I go ahead, if you are using the free version, anytime you see this crown, it means it's a pro version. You won't be able to download it out. So what I do is I click on this toggle up here. Okay, so what you're going to do is to avoid the ones that are showing this pro and then stick to the ones that are showing that don't have that crown on them, like this one. So let's just look for something cute and then we can use it. So something like this isn't too bad. It is a daily organization template, and you can see it has space for goals, tasks to do, daily quote, water tracker, your menu of the day, and then a space for your notes. So all you need to do is to now customize this particular page in line with what you already have on your cover page, so the colors align. And then once you do that, you can then duplicate the number of pages into the number of pages you want the daily planner to be. So I can go ahead and just change the style to something like this, or let's shuffle it around a bit. Let's shuffle and see. Okay, so this isn't too bad. Feel free to play around with colors, play around with cool tones, and don't forget, depending on who you're selling it to, that's what determines what kind of color you should use. So once you have a nice design, a nice template that you like, you're satisfied with it, all you need to do is to duplicate. Bear in mind that this is a tutorial for a daily planner. If you were to do a journal, it will look different. So just play around different kind of products, and like I said, Canva is your go-to. When you come to Canva, just search for the particular thing you're creating a product about. If it's a planner, if it's a journal, if it's a template, a guide, an ebook, just search for it here on Canva and it will give you templates you can work with. So when you duplicate these pages, duplicate them into maybe 30 or 60, depending on how many days you want people to use that particular journal for, and then you can download. When you want to download, click on share up on the right hand corner. Let me move this so you can see what I'm doing. So when you do that, then you click on your download, and then when you're downloading a digital products, always download it as a PDF standard or a PDF print, so that way if you have links or anything embedded into your design, they are kept for you. So as soon as I click on this PDF print, it's going to print onto my laptop, and that is what you are going to sell to your target audience. So this is a simple tutorial on how to create your digital product. So once you have this, then you can now start thinking of how you are going to sell your digital products. So guys, welcome back. Once you've created your digital product, what next? The next thing for you to do is to get a platform to sell those digital products on. And I have a couple of options for you to try. You can also make your own personal research and try. But I'm going to give you options based on what I am currently doing that is making me money, and what I have already taught a couple of other women that is also working for them to make money. So the first platform I'm going to suggest to you is to sell directly on your link in bio. This way, you're able to control your sales, you're able to control who has access to it, and a whole lot of other stuff. So if you want to sell on your link in bio, you can start off with these two platforms, just an option and a suggestion. There are other platforms, but this is my favorite too. The first one is StanStore. StanStore is a built-in all-in-one platform that allows you to sell digital products at a space, allows you to collect payments for them, and also allows you to automate emails and other responses, and also collect emails. It has a lot of functions, guys. Just check it out. But it is a paid-for platform. If you are just starting, I would advise you to start with StanStore if you don't have a source of income. But if you have a source of income and you're looking for something easy to use, straightforward, then use StanStore. My number two is Beacons. Beacons is amazing. It is free. It has a paid for platform, but the free one is also easy and okay for you to use. So this is how Beacons looks like. This is my own platform that I use here on YouTube, so you can check that out. It's in the link in my bio. All you need to do is to go to beacons.ai and create a free account with them. It allows you to link your PayPal and your Stripe to collect payment for your digital products as an online e-commerce store for digital products. It also has a couple of other features that you can have a look at to see if that will help your processes. That is the first thing you need to think about, where to sell, and these are two good options that you can start up with. Now, aside selling directly on your link in bio, I always tell people to have multiple places they are selling their digital product, just so to get multiple streams of income coming in. You can also set up your digital products on a platform such as Etsy. Etsy is a big online store, like an e-commerce store. Okay, you can set up an account there. It used to be free, but now you have to pay a one-time setup fee of I think £11 plus thereabout, and then each time you list a product you have to pay, but it's not too expensive. I think it's 20 pence or so. So you can look into that, and you can sell literally anything on Etsy. So once you have a store, you can sell literally anything based on what you describe when you are about registering your account. You can sell digital products, you can sell printables, you can sell print on demand, physical products, a lot of things you can sell on Etsy. The number two platform to try is Shopify. It's similar to Etsy, but it has a monthly payment that you have to do. But yeah, just like Etsy, you can sell a whole range of products on there, including drop shipping products. My number three and favorite that I personally use is Amazon KDP. On Amazon KDP, you can sell things like ebooks and guides that are in e-copy, and then you can also sell printables. So just like the sample of the planner that we created, we can upload the manuscript on Amazon Kindle, and then when someone orders, Amazon will do the Amazon will do the product creation and then help you to ship it to that person, and then you get a commission after they take out their own production cost. That is what I personally use, and it is an amazing way to make money online these days. Guys, if you've learned anything so far, please give me a subscribe and then give me a thumbs up to encourage me to do more of these videos to teach you how to make an income online. So guys, After doing all this, what next do you need to do? Leverage on your community. I can't emphasize on this enough, guys. People don't leverage their community enough. And when I mean community, that is your social media platforms. Most of us have a couple of followers, some have thousands of followers, but they are not leveraging it enough. When you have a community, leverage on it to push sales to your digital products. For example, if you are on TikTok and you have a following or you have a community you belong to, talk to them about your digital products. When you go on people's life, talk about your digital products. In your content, once or twice a week, talk about your digital products. Let people know you have something valuable. Make content about the value of your digital products. Make content that shows people they need your digital product. That is basically how to market, guys. I have a whole page on TikTok that is all about my digital products. I put in things I designed for people, things I designed for myself, things I've published on Amazon Kindle, and that has brought for me a lot of sales, guys. Leveraging on your community first is a way to kickstart your digital products business. Leverage on that, guys. Go live on TikTok if you can. If you can't, join other people's lives and talk about your digital products. Very, very important. If you're on Facebook, there are different groups you could join to discuss all this and to market to people. You can also market on your own personal platform. If you're on Instagram, sell them on your stories. On your stories, you are able to add links. All you need to do is to get a very, very good picture of your digital products. You can have mock-ups of them. There are different mock-ups on Canva, just like I showed you. Check out Canva. You see different mock-ups under the app section. Use those mock-ups to showcase how your product looks like, and then add the link to purchase that product on your Instagram story, and you're good to go. You can automatically share this to your Facebook and make sales. If you're on LinkedIn, market to your networks about your digital product. Talk about your digital product like it's the next big thing. The more you talk about it, the more people see value of it, the more likely they are to buy your digital product. People are really, really making money from this. I have personally made money, and I have taught women to make money on this. So I know this is a good way to make money in 2025, especially if you are looking for something on the side to get you passive income. So guys, I hope this has been useful for you. If this has been any way helpful or you've learned anything, do give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Feel free to check out my other videos as well to learn one or two things about monetization and how to improve your social media. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. See you on my next video. Bye.